Hi everyone and welcome back to another astronomical events video where I talk about the upcoming astronomical events for the upcoming month. And so in today's video I'll be talking about the upcoming astronomical events for the month of November 2021. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos, please hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. So November 1st brings us the first stream of the Taurids Meteor Shower called the Southern Taurids. The Taurid Meteor Shower is a long-running minor meteor shower, producing only about 5 to 10 meteors per hour, but it is rich in fireballs. It consists of two separate streams. The first stream is produced by dust grains left behind by asteroid 2004 TG10, and the second stream comes from debris left behind by comet 2P Encke. The shower runs annually from September the 7th to December the 10th. It peaks this year on the night of November the 4th. The new moon will ensure dark skies this year for what should be an excellent show for stargazers. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will radiate from the constellation of Tauris, but can appear anywhere in the sky. On November the 5th, we will have a Uranus opposition in which the planet Uranus is directly opposite from the Sun as seen from Earth. The blue-green gas giant will be at its closest approach to our planet, making it the best time to capture the gas giant itself. It will be brighter than any other time of the year, and will be visible all night long. However, the planet will only appear as a tiny blue-green dot in all but the most powerful telescopes. So, if you want to capture this planet, you will need to have a very powerful telescope in store. An opposition occurs when the Earth passes between a superior planet, which is a planet beyond the Earth's orbit, and the Sun. This creates a straight line from the Sun, the Earth, and the outer planet. A planet is in opposition when it rises as soon as the Sun sets, so it is visible all night long and will be at its closest approach to the Earth. On November the 8th, we will have a Moon-Venus conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Venus in the night sky. The conjunction event will occur immediately after sunset, so if you want to see this, you'll have to look for both celestial objects in the western skies immediately after sundown. The Moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 14% illumination when this happens. And you will also need to have a clear view of the horizon since it will not take that long for both celestial objects to set below the horizon. A conjunction event is when two celestial objects appear very close to each other in the night sky, as seen from Earth. On November the 10th, you will have a Moon-Saturn conjunction event in which the Moon will appear very close to the planet Saturn in the night sky. Jupiter will also be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, making this a great photographic opportunity to capture the Moon and both gas giants at the same time. The Moon will be in its waxing crescent phase with 34% illumination when this happens. On November the 12th, we will have another conjunction event involving the Moon and the planet Jupiter. The Moon will be in its waxing gibbous phase with 56% illumination when this happens. Saturn will also be visible at the same time as the conjunction event, making this another great photographic opportunity to capture both gas giants and the Moon at the same time. Now, November brings us the second stream of the Taurids Meteor Shower, called the Northern Taurids. The Northern Taurids Meteor Shower will have a peak of around 5 meteors per hour and will last for about a week. It peaks this year on November the 12th, but the bright 56% waxing gibbous moon will block all but the brightest meteors. Best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. Meteors will radiate from the constellation of Taurus, but can appear anywhere in the sky. Now, November will bring us the peak of the Leonid Meteor Shower. The Leonid is an average meteor shower producing up to 15 meteors per hour at its peak. This meteor shower is unique since it has a cyclonic peak about every 33 years where hundreds or thousands of meteors are visible. The Leonid is produced by dust grains left behind by comet Tempel-Tuttle, which was discovered in 1865. The shower runs annually from November the 6th to the 30th. It peaks this year on the night of November the 17th and on the morning of the 18th. However, the peak of the meteor shower will coincide with a near full moon, blocking all but the brightest meteors. But you might be able to catch a few meteors if you are patient. The best viewing will be from a dark location after midnight. The meteors will radiate from the constellation of Leo, but it can appear anywhere in the sky. Now, November the 19th brings us a special event known as a partial lunar eclipse. The eclipse will be visible throughout most of eastern Russia, Japan, the Pacific Ocean, North America, Mexico, Central America, and parts of western South America. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when some parts of the moon go through the umbra, and the rest stays in the penumbra. During this type of eclipse, a part of the moon will darken as it moves through the Earth's shadow. On November the 21st, we will have a moon apogee in which the moon will be at its furthest approach from the Earth at 406,300 kilometers away from our planet. The moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 97% illumination when this happens. The moon will appear smaller than usual, but it'll be a very subtle difference. Finally, on November the 25th, we will have a Moon-Beehive conjunction event in which the moon will appear very close to the Beehive star cluster in the constellation of Cancer. The moon will be in its waning gibbous phase with 72% illumination when this happens, making it quite difficult to capture the star cluster due to the moon's brightness. So that's it for the highlights of November 2021, guys, and I hope that you find this video useful and informative so far, and hopefully you'll be able to catch the partial lunar eclipse that will occur next month, especially to those of us who can actually see it. So without further ado, I wish you good luck, clear skies, and stay safe. And lights out.